Being about halfway through the program now, we have moved at a fairly steady pace, not so fast that you can't keep up. And it's going to push your ability, technical skills, working with your hands, but also your ability to think, critical thinking and problem solving. Those are skills that are definitely going to help someone succeed here.
Right now, I'm learning what I need to learn so that I could tell the person that's working for me, I've done this. I know how to do it. I've been in leadership roles before. I've led some people down the line from the military and working in maintenance facilities. I'm ready. I'm ready to stand alone.
Myself and the other guys, we are the first ones to go through this program, and that's really special. Not only are we learning the skills necessary to be successful in this role, we're also learning how to make the program better for upcoming students and improve the processes that will enable them to be more equipped to be successful with Marshall.
Something comes over me. This is personal. It comes over me when it's time to go, because I done spent 8 hours with my coworkers and we've made all this progress, and we're doing these things that we know is going to be good for Marshall. We know that Marshall needs their aircraft. It gives you a drive. It gives you an energy. It gives you a purpose. It's like, what? Now what? Drive home.